Ever wondered how to maximize your harvest in a small space? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Harvest Hacks, where we unravel the secrets of small space gardening. Tip number 1 on our list is vertical gardening. While your yard or patio might be short on square footage, remember you've got a whole other dimension to play with. Yes, height. Hanging planters and trellises are your best friends here. They allow you to grow vining vegetables and other plants upwards, saving valuable ground space. Moving on to tip number 2, container gardening. Your containers could be anything from pots and buckets to repurposed items around your home. The key is to ensure they have proper drainage and you fill them with quality soil. Plus, picking plants that thrive in container conditions is a must. Next, we have tip number 3, companion planting. This strategy involves pairing plants that mutually benefit each other. They may deter pests, improve nutrient absorption, or simply save space. Think tomatoes with basil or carrots with onions. It's all about making the most of your garden real estate. On to tip number 4, succession planting. This is the art of staggering your plantings to ensure a continuous harvest. No more waiting for one crop to finish before planting the next. It's like a conveyor belt of fresh, homegrown produce. And last but not least, tip number 5, optimize natural light. Place your garden in the sunniest spot or use reflective surfaces to direct sunlight onto your plants. Remember, rotating your pots and containers ensures all sides of your plants get their fair share of sun. So, there you have it. 5 pro tips to unlock the potential of small space gardening. With a little creativity and these strategies in your arsenal, you're well on your way to turning that tiny patch into a plentiful harvest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more harvest hacks and gardening inspiration. Here's to a fruitful gardening journey